Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, knowing how to transfer Ethereum on Trust Wallet is a must, especially with the latest updates for 2025. Trust Wallet is a secure, user-friendly app that lets you manage your crypto on the go, and today, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. You can download it from the official App Store to ensure it's the real deal. Once it's set up, open the app and unlock your wallet using your PIN, Face ID, or whatever security method you chose, safety first. Now, scroll through your assets and tap on Ethereum. It's usually front and center if you hold any ETH. Once you're in the Ethereum section, look for the Send button and give it a tap. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's Ethereum address. Double-check this. Typos can send your crypto into the void. Then, input the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion in 2025, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, take a second to review everything. The address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll see a prompt for your wallet's security verification. Do that, and your ETH will be on its way. After sending, keep an eye on the transaction status in the app. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the blockchain. And hey, always use a secure Wi-Fi connection and never share your private keys. There you have it. Transferring Ethereum on Trust Wallet is straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.